Mm.
Hi, welcome to Chandu's Cloud channel. So, people who are already watching it, you can please subscribe, like, share, comment. Today we are going to discuss about the MI air pump. So, I have directly ordered from the MI site, so I got a MI cover, and this is the air pump. Okay, so I will show it closely. This is very portable electric air compressor. Okay, and I have used many type of air compressors, manual, which are hand pedaling, and also you can put it to the you have to start the engine of the car and you can fill the air in your car 4 tires, but without a wire or it's wireless air pump is MI is providing, which is very compatible. It's very portable. It is very small in size. Let's see unboxing this and how this works. Okay, and if you see the price, it was mentioned as some 2000 plus, but still it is worth to buy it, where you can get the wired or some other type of compressors. You will get it with similar kind of a price. Okay, let's unbox this and see how this product looks like and how this works. And so I see nothing in it. So here you see a manual of the air compressor, and here it is the air compressor. Okay, along with it they had given a charger wire with a mini USB port, and here there is a bag, so used for this compressor. And I see one more adapter for your bicycles or some other, and another air pin for your footballs and volleyballs and other types of air filling. So you can, this too will be very helpful. Maybe if you are using a bicycle which is different in a port, so you can use this. Otherwise, MI is providing built-in knob for car. It will fit for your car. Okay, it's very simple, looks very good, and both sides you can see the ventilated here, and a display screen here, and I see a plus and minus to increase the numbers, and there is a light button, and there is a mode change here. There's only 4 buttons here, I don't see anything. And below you can see there is a mini USB port for a charging. Yeah, I'm just closing it. And here one small flasher is there, which will be useful for the torch light. Suppose if you want to use it in the night time, then you can use this by clicking on this button, so you will get a light mode here. So there is one black round here, and there is one red area, you can see it, and the red one, if you open it, then it will open. So this is fit for the all standard type of a car. You don't need to put any additional adapter here, you can directly use it. So now I'm going to, it's very simple inserting. It means that locking, it is unlock, lock, unlock. Okay, now I'm going to show you. Currently it is in switched off state, so I'm showing it very closely. So if you remove it, this particular one, automatically the system will get on. Okay, again if you close it, this will be off. Okay, you don't have any specific button to switch off and switch on this machine, so it's an automatic. Okay, as soon as you plug in the knob, it will get turned on. Okay, and if you see, there are 4 types of initially it shows the 000, and this is the modes. The first one shows for the bicycle, and if you press it again, it will show for the motorcycle, and this is for four-wheeler car, and the final one is for the balls, either a football or any kinds of sports accessories you can fill the air. So 4 times, okay. First time you will get a bicycle, motorcycle, and four-wheeler and sports items, either ball or whatever it is, okay. And there is a button here, this is for a flashing light, and I'll just show you. So probably you can see there is a light here, so it will be helpful for in the night time. And suppose if you want to fill the air for your bicycle, initially it shows for the 45 psi, okay. Or if you want to manually change it, you can change it like this, so 40, 50, 60, but by default value it was given as 45, okay. Even if you can increase the value, now it is 49, and again if you change the default values, it will show the 45, okay. An additional benefit in this, if you insert this knob to your car, it will show what is the exact air pressure in your tire, and based on that you can fill the air, or else you can remove the air, okay. So, and I'm going to switch on this one, and I need to check how this machine will sounds, because when I use the different types of machines which gives a lot of noise, certain machines will give mild decibels in noise, okay. I'm going to turn on now. So since it's a very small in machine, so that's why it's producing a bit noisy, but still it is acceptable noise. It's not too heavy noise here, okay. So everything is measured in a PSI here. So overall looks very quiet, and so looks very good and very compatible. You can carry out with your bicycle, or you can carry in your car or motorcycle, anywhere you can do that, okay. Okay, now you can see this knob which is given here. I can closely show it. So you can tight this one, and you can fill the air for your bicycle, you can remove it, or similarly you can use this for your balloons, or else your footballs or volleyballs, whichever you wanted. So I'm just removing it. Now let's close this one, which will get turned off automatically. That's it. Now I'm going to show you how this will be charged, okay. If it is a fully green light, it means completely charged. If it is orange light, it is charged 25 to 70% in charge. If it is in red light, it will shows that it is less than 25% of the charge. It means it is indicating that you have to charge your machine, okay. So now I will insert this machine to my laptop. It's very compatible because you can charge it anywhere. I'm just inserting to my USB port, okay, and just turn it off and open this port. Okay, now it shows the complete white. It means it is fully charged. If it shows amber, then it is 25 to 70% charge is available. If it shows completely red, then it is less than 25% charge is available. It means you have to charge it, okay. This is the indicator for your charge status. That's it. And I will show you by taking this to my car and my motorcycle, and how this charge, I will show you. So before that, I'll also explain you this the bag, which is very good bag, very portable, and I see a small pocket inside. This pocket is zippy type. It's not a zippy type, sorry, it's a press type. So you can open it and you can put these two small components inside this zip and then press it. Okay, this will be inside your bag. That's it, you cannot see them. And finally you can put this machine, the air compressor of MI, into this bag and like this, so you can carry anywhere, and you can put it in your glove box or your dashboard, anywhere. You can keep it in your car or in your bike or in a bicycle also you can put it in. It's very compatible to use it. Okay, now I am going to show you how this will be charged for let me show you this. Yeah, here it is. And once the air is fully loaded, then it will automatically turn off. Yeah. So now the compressor is 2.2. So now I am going to switch it on, and once it is completely done, it will automatically turn off. For a car tire, approximately it will take 5 to 6 minutes. For a bike tire, it will take approximately 2 to 3 minutes. You can see the charge. Now it shows amber in color. It means that the charging is reducing now. Initially it was 22, now 2.4, another 2 more points. You can see it, and now it shows 0. So as soon as I tighten the knob, it will show how much compression there in the tire. You can see instead of 2.5 I can see only 2.2. okay, likewise you can check the air as well. So far we were checking for a car. Now we are going to check for a motorcycle and see. Actually it is a car mode. You can see it in the left side. This is for two-wheeler. I need to switch the mode. Now it is showing 2.4. Let me fill it. So as you've seen, that is how we can charge a car, a bike, or any sports equipments. So this is signing off by Chandu's Cloud. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, like, share, comment. Thank you.